Assalamu alaikum. Hello and welcome to Education Report. Today we talk about discipline and how students can improve their lives through good habits and hard work. This report is in slow and easy English for learners around the world. So ladies and gentlemen, let's get into the video. Part 1. Education Report. Many students want success in life. They want good grades, good jobs, and better future. But success does not come easily. It requires discipline, patience, and daily effort. Today, we look at why discipline is important for students. Part 2. Daily habits. Successful students often follow simple habits. They wake up early, they attend classes regularly, they complete homework on time. Many experts say small habits create long-term success. Students who manage their time well usually perform better in school. Part 3. Managing time. Time management is very important. Some students spend many hours on social media or games. As a result, they have less time to study. Teachers say students should create a daily routine. A routine helps students stay focused and organized. Part 4. Technology and Education. Technology can help students learn. Online classes, educational videos, and digital tools makes learning easier. However, experts warn that too much screen time can reduce concentration. Students should use technology wisely. Part 5. Education around the world. In many countries, education is improving. More students now have access to schools and online learning. Still, millions of children around the world face challenges. Some do not have books, internet access, or proper classrooms. Organizations continue working to improve education opportunities worldwide. Part 6. Motivation and Confidence. Teachers say confidence is important for learning. Students should not fear mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Experts encourage students to practice every day and stay positive. Learning a language takes time and patience. Part 7. Final message. Education can change lives. It can create opportunities and hope for the future. Students who work hard today may become tomorrow's leaders, teachers, doctors, or scientists. If these small steps matters, you have been listening to Education Report. Thank you for joining us today. Continue practicing English every day and never stop learning. See you in the next time for another English lesson and Education Report. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum.